My hood release knob broke off. And when that happens, what you got to do is replace your hood release cable. I used to have to use a pair of pliers to open my hood, but now this is my wonderful new hood release. I'm going to pull it and open the hood. Cool. This is the story of my hood release cable replacement. My mechanical genius is taking the new cable out of the bag. He removes the old cable. Watch, he's pulling the new cable into place. He needs to do a little bit of wrenching to get the new cable put into place. All told, it was a $65 part and $40 worth of labor.
Water tank.
Oh, cool. Well, thank you.